So one way, just like in our last video, how we were looking for like the places that it might cross the x-axis and kind of identifying, we come into this conversation right here, and the key thing is here is that we're looking for the potential. And remember, potential could be synonymous with the word possible. So when you translate this into English, you essentially are saying list the possible places that I would cross the x-axis. So the possible places you cross the x-axis is the same thing as list the potential rational zeros. The same statement. Alright, so we'll put possible x-intercepts. So to do that, we use what's called the rational root theorem. And the rational root theorem basically says that you're going to take your p-value and put it over your q-value. And so we come to our equation, and this is our p, and q is our leading coefficient. So p is our constant, q is our leading coefficient. So we put those over top of each other. So we say 12 over 3. And you could say negative 12. But you'll see we're going to do positive or negative in just a minute. And then what you do is you list out your factors. So you have to factor each one of those. So the factors of 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. So then what this whole P over Q thing is that you're going to basically take, that's going to lead you to this statement. You're going to say, I want to find all the possible combinations, positive and negative, of my P's over my Q's. So that means I would say 1 over 1. 1 over 1. And I'd say 1 over 3. So I put this particular P over my two Q's. So I'm done with that P. And I go on to the next P, which is 2. So I do 2 over 1, 2 over 3. So now I'm done with this P. So I go on to the next P, which is 3. So that'd be 3 over 1 and 3 over 3. Cross him off. I'm done with him. Keep on going. So that'd be 4 over 1 and 4 over 3. Go back to red. I'm done with the 4. That would be 6 over 1 and 6 over 3. Cross him off. Go to the last one, which would be 12 over 1 and 12 over 3. So once you've listed out all your possible combinations of P over Q, then what you do is you look for duplicates. You cross off your duplicates. So for example, 1 over 1, see if we have anything that goes with that. How about 3 over 3? Isn't 3 over 3 the same as 1? So we can cross that off. This is 1. 6 over 3. 6 over 3 reduces to 2. So we cross that off because we already have 2. And 12 over 3 reduces to 4. And we already have 4. So that would be our list of our possible rational roots. Potential rational roots.